Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show a useful secret code for all vivo phone. Using this secret code you can use internet in flight mode. Here you can see my device is flight mode, but I am using the internet. Using flight mode, if you are browsing the internet, then you will get more internet speed. Before start the video, I want to ask you something. If you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe and like also that video. So let's start it. First of all, connect your internet. After that, active your flight mode. Then open your dial pad and follow my screen instruction. After that, minimize this setting. Now you can use internet in flight mode. Again, if you want to go back to the previous setting, open that setting and turn off this option. If you think this video is useful for you, please like that video and also subscribe my channel to get more useful video. Thank you for watching.